Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to backup folder in Google Photos on computer. So how to backup folder in Google Photos on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap this plus icon. Well, a scrolling menu will appear like this. Here are many options. Tap the backup folder menu. And your computer's Windows folder will appear. Then select the folder you want to backup. Then tap Select Folder. Well, here you have finished creating a folder backup in the Google Photos computer application. So that's it, tutorial how to backup folder in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.